Hello, I'm UN Environment Programme Goodwill Ambassador Ellie Goulding. Coral reefs are more than just beautiful. They protect our shorelines and provide food and jobs for hundreds of millions of people. They are home to at least a quarter of all marine species. They ask so little in return. So we're asking for 3 actions on their behalf. Number 1, prioritise vulnerable ecosystems, particularly coral reefs. Their decline is projected to worsen due to climate change and local pollution. 2, retain the integrity of coral reef ecosystems and restore around them, thus retaining the economic, cultural and physical benefits of these systems. 3, adopt global coral reef indicators. Standard monitoring increases accountability and provides evidence for proactive decisions. Parties to the CBD, please consider the importance of this small but mighty ecosystem during the CBD COP15. Thank you.